Ladies and gentlemen, Jeffrey McAvoy here. In this video, it's merely an explanation of an annoying case that I've had recently with my Land Rover Discovery. The rear door wouldn't open anymore, whichever, locking position or no. It just wouldn't open from the inside or the out of the blue. So this is pretty much the, video of me trying to open it again and find the source of the problem. Now, most definitely when you find screws on the panel while it's supposed to be just pressed in, God knows what you're going to find. Somebody has obviously been here before, as there's a bolt on one side of the handle and a screw on the other. So there's no telling how many times this door card has been removed. And yeah, confirmation comes by the fact of the this plastic sheet, which is completely ripped and torn. And so discovering the mechanism pretty much, trying to figure it out just by looking at it, and I found that by using a screwdriver in this location and just pulling it down is what will actually open the door. So there it is. Not completely shut, so just slam it shut again, and obviously there's a problem with it shutting right now. So this is the exact location where you have to place your screwdriver and pull it down to open the door, if ever this happens to you. And this is the source of the problem. See, these two bolts here are missing, which are supposed to hold the mechanism in place. So they have rattled off. This one here seems like it's been missing for a while. And so yeah, slam the door shut and can't open it anymore again. So there's definitely some problem coming from the outside. So now that we know how to open it, it's a piece of cake. And figuring out again what could go wrong. And so it appears that a replacement bolt had been used at some point, which had bent the mechanism. So here's me trying to bend it back in place, sort of, as best I could. And this is what I found. See, this is what happens when you activate the handle on the outside of the door to activate this lever. And there's quite a lot of play in it, as you can definitely see. And when you open the lever, well, when you press the lever from the outside, you can see this threaded bar coming down, and this little threaded device, which actually is the adjustment. So if you unthread it or unscrew it, if that makes sense, it will make the bar slightly longer, which will compensate for the play that has appeared in the worn mechanism. Now, this is definitely a temporary measure. I'll eventually have to replace this mechanism because it's completely bent and worn. So by using the trial and error method, just try to find the right length. So as I said, you unthread it to make the little bar longer, and that seemed to sort the problem until I actually found the proper setting. And there it is, can open and close the door properly again. Obviously I replaced the missing bolts on the mechanism, and even though it's damaged now, temporarily I can at least open and close the door without fear of either it being locked or it's swinging open while I'm driving around. Thank you all for watching. I hope it was helpful. Make sure you drop a like, leave a comment, and I'll catch you all in the next video.